Good afternoon, McBain Virtual Families. It's Mr. Mead. It is the end of a very fast week and an eventful week. Hope that you are doing well. This will be a short video this week. Wanted to kick off by just reminding all of our kindergarten, first, and second grade students to be practicing their sight words. We sent those home with the report cards. So you should have those up on the fridge, along with this green sheet that kind of gives you some benchmarks to shoot for with the sight words, how many you should know, as well as addition facts. And the Rocket Math app is a great way to practice addition facts, as well as just asking the kids math questions while you're in the car. So first grade, kindergarten, you'll be dealing primarily with addition facts. Second grade should be very, very comfortable with both addition and subtraction by the end of the year. Third grade is where we introduce multiplication and also division, and then fourth grade or fifth grade even, if they're not fluent with those multiplication and division problems, definitely keep practicing those so that you can do the math more easily for the rest of your life. Did want to let you know that this last Tuesday was the end of our 4th week of Count Month. You remember Count Month is where we get about 90% of our state funding, and that we have to have two-way communications per week. And I'm very pleased to report that 100% of our families were able to do that. I cannot thank you enough. Typically, it is not uncommon for virtual schools or virtual programs within a traditional school to lose tens of thousands of dollars because communication gets missed. Thank you for getting back with me, for the text message back, for the phone call, the FaceTime back. The families in McBain here have been absolutely wonderful with the communication, and that has really helped our school, and it certainly helps me. You will notice that as things start to ramp up with the flu season starting and with COVID kind of making a bit of a resurgence here, even within our small community, I am getting drafted to help out with other things here at the school, including planning contingency plans. If we do at some point need to shut down for a day or two, what's that going to look like? What tools do we have? Teacher trainings, things like this. And that is going very well. There's no impending plan to shut the school down, but we want to be prepared, and I'm really pleased that I can lend my expertise to my coworkers so that we can make that a smooth transition for all the kids who are here currently in the building, if there needs to be a transition home for a couple of days, or heaven forbid, a more extended period of time like a week or two. Now, for virtual families, that won't affect us at all because we're already doing it. We're kind of immune to what happens here in the physical building. And if you need me and I'm not picking up on FaceTime, do remember that even if I'm in a classroom or doing a training or something like that, you can shoot me a text and I'll know and get back with you much, much faster than if you try to FaceTime me or potentially even call me, because if I'm teaching a lesson or in a classroom and I look down, I can read the text, I can't listen to the voicemail. So it's a great tool for you to use if you need to reach me while I'm doing double duty, which I'm more than happy to do to help out McBain. So thank you so much for the communication. Do stay on top of those sight words as well as math facts. I will be looking forward to reaching out to your sons and daughters early next week, Monday and Tuesday, and then throughout the rest of the week, maintaining that communication. Please keep up the good work. You should have hit 30% in all of your classes by today, this afternoon. If not, you can do a little bit of catch up over the weekend. And then by next Friday, we'd like to see everybody at 45%. Now, this is a little bit faster. Someone asked me, they said, well, are we going to finish a little bit early here? Yes, you will. The reason why is because of Thanksgiving. I know that a lot of families are planning on taking some time together to reflect, be thankful, take a few days off, go shopping, Black Friday, if that's still a thing. So the percentages that I'm giving you will allow kids to take time off for that. Otherwise, they would be expected to do a full week's worth of work, which I don't expect that too many people are going to want to do that. So we're building in a buffer there to make sure that even if you take time off for Thanksgiving, you'll still finish on time. If you've got questions, you've got comments, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you so much. I'm honored and privileged to serve you here in McBain, and please keep up the good work. Have a great weekend, Ramblers.